Hello lovely beaders! Today I want to share with you my new collection of beaded jewelry for Christmas 2020. For every piece of the collection I have made a tutorial that is going to be published once a week for the weeks that follow. So please subscribe and hit the bell button as well so you get notified when they show up on YouTube. I have used basic beads for these designs, mainly 11/0 seed beads, round beads and bicones. So if you need to quickly make a gift at any time of the day, you can quickly go to your stash and just make it. The main theme of the collection is green. That's why the collection is called Green Christmas, because green is associated with hope, and this is what we need in these still difficult times. Now let's discover together my new collection of beaded jewelry Christmas 2020. The first piece is a bracelet designed around a green bead, with the straps made with pearls embellished with 11/0 seed beads. This piece makes a lovely gift. Here we have a bracelet made with glass cube beads inserted along a herringbone rope, very thin and flexible and elegant. Here we have a two-in-one design using just one technique, changing the beads. We get two very different looks for our beaded gifts. This bracelet I show you now is big, beautiful, and believe it or not, elegant. It's very fast to make, and you just use pearls and bicones. This slim bracelet introduces some clusters of bicones into a chenille stitch based rope. The result is a very festive looking piece. And here we have the last piece of this collection, a bracelet made with pearls and 8mm Swarovski chatons. This is the only design you need to order the chatons ahead if you don't have them already. Beautiful and elegant. And here I show you a few ideas of the boxes that you can make for your jewelry to have really a beautiful final look. And I will make some tutorials to show you how to really easily make these boxes too. I hope you like my collection. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you when the tutorials come up. Ciao, ciao!